Today I'm going to be working on a 2002 MR2 Spyder.
The truth.
So I ordered some rear control arms through Amazon, but they're a set of Godspeed rear control arms. So, gotta check them out for the first time. I hate these little staples they put in them. I understand it keeps the box closed, but man, they're a pain to dig out of here. God, this one doesn't want to come out at all. Tape. Alright, let's see if it'll box open now. Yay, box within a box. Oh yeah, look how beautiful these things are. But they are fully adjustable. That's what I love about them. Actually, in really good condition too. Let's check out some of the other ones. So basically, each pair, one for each side. But you have one for camber, one for toe, and I believe one for caster as well. Oh yeah, that was nice. And let's check out the last box. Alright, here we go. Perfect. Yeah, look really good. They're really sturdy too. So I'll put the link for these down in the description. The AK-203s are the rear camber control arms. The AK-204s are traction rods. Finally, the AK-205s are trailing arms. So we're going to be doing the same thing on both sides. What we're going to go ahead and do first, after the car's off the ground, we're going to take these wheels off. Alright, so we're going to be taking off these 3 bars right here. 1, 2, and number 3. So let's go ahead and start unbolting them. See, there's a nut on the back side of this guy. There's a nut way down there. Looks like a nut and a bolt on this one. Nut and a bolt here. Nut and a bolt here, and probably another nut and bolt right back over here. Yep. So let's go ahead and start taking those off. So I'm actually going to start with the driver's side control arm links, because I'm going to be doing the CV axle on that side first, and then I'll be doing this side, but they're basically the exact same. I just got a real quick side-by-side with our 3 stock ones compared to our 3 Godspeed ones. I like these ones a lot because they're all adjustable. So when we get it in there, we can get our tires to be exactly where we want them to be. The old ones, the only adjustment was through this guy and through our camber bolt on the coilover, which didn't give me enough to adjust properly. So we got these guys going in, so I'll show you where everything goes. I will be reusing all the old hardware, so just make sure you didn't damage any of it on the removing it from the car. What I like to do is set these for the stock length at first, and then after we get them on the car, then we can adjust them to where we want them. So in a video coming out shortly, I'm going to be showing you how to do these rear axles. That's why I have all this stuff apart. But I figure it's a good time to be installing our Godspeed stuff. So first we're going to do our traction bar, which is going to go pretty much this way in the car. I'll show you exactly where it goes here in just a second. So this ball end is going to go right in here. And I'm actually going to run the bolt through. Maybe if I can even get it in there. Come on. Alright, now we can go ahead and get this guy right into its place. And we're going to put the nut on the backside back here. Now let's get that and this guy down here torqued down. So the next one we're going to be putting in is the camber arm. You can tell the difference between this one and the other one because this end piece here is kind of a weird shape. where this one's really smooth. So let's get the camber arm on the car. Now the camber arm runs from right here all the way over to here. Alright, now let's get both of these torqued up. Now finally, let's get the trailing arm installed on the car. Our trailing arm is going to run from right up here to right underneath the brake caliper. If you're anything like me, you always forget which way these bolts are supposed to go. I like doing this kind of stuff one side at a time. That way I can reference the other side to see which way my bolts and nuts are supposed to be facing. Finally, let's get both of these torqued. Once we have all these guys torqued, we're going to go ahead and snug up all these little jam nuts. On the Godspeed ones, they are a 15/16. So we're going to go through and we're just going to snug them all to the center part of the red shaft here. So you're going to want to hold the red shaft steady with like a pair of adjustable pliers, and then if I can turn it the right way, gonna snug our jam nuts up to them just like that, and we're gonna do that on each one of them. Now you can do the exact same thing to the other side, and then we can go ahead and put our wheels and tires back on. Alright, so we got all of our control arms on the car, but before I take it to the alignment shop to get it all squared away, because it's a little beyond my level of expertise, I'm actually going to be switching out these wheels and getting a good wheel gap really quick with the coilovers, but I'm going to save the reveal for what the wheels look like in another video. Alright, without showing off the new wheels, I did get my alignment done. It looks really darn good. Thanks to everyone here at ShowZone for getting my alignment done. Well, if you have any questions or comments about replacing any of these, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. If you enjoyed any of the background music that's in any of these videos, check out the artist's SoundCloud. I put a link in the description.